Okay, so here we are. We're in Ravenna, and this is known as the double reverse method. Here you can see Ariana is about to place the design on the clay. Actually, it's already been done, but it soaks in. So after a couple of weeks, you can't see the design anymore. So now we're going to reapply it into the clay. And when the mosaic is finished, it's going to be placed on a muslin and flipped, and then it's going to be put in the final substrate and flipped again. So Ariana's going to be very careful, and then she rubs it, and the ink from the drawing will go onto the clay. Big reveal. There you go, and that's it.